Ahoy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today I show you my, this is one of my, probably my favorite Nerf mods so far. It's a Raven, or former Raven, and I turned this into a Dahl SMG from Borderlands 3. And this weapon is really, I mean, it looks, look at it, it's just weird and somehow different and from top to bottom. And bullpup, I love bullpups. And this is what it looked like before. And it actually started, I wanted to, this is made for kids, and most people like it, like the stock. To me it's a bit short, I'm a tall guy, so I wanted to add a stock, and I did. And when I was done, I was wondering why stop. It already looks like that Dahl weapon. I'm beyond happy, beyond pleased with the outcome of this. And the battery storage is still the battery storage behind here. The LEDs are hooked up to the battery and the internal system. I just added a little switch on the other side. The paint is an automotive candy orange, and it looks pretty intense, and it depends on the angle. Looks more yellowish and more red from the other angle, depending on how you flip it. And that body here is just deco, it's not doing anything. Now that I'm holding it, let's fire it. So let's see, let's make the target pink. I love it. And that was it, my favorite. I was so eager getting this done, I totally forgot to tape most of the progress. But it's not really nothing difficult. Metal parts all around this. This can be made of whatever you got, wood or even like plastic. Most people are probably gonna print this. I made it myself, hand cut, hand filed, drilled some holes in it for the pattern, smoothed out the part where your thumb goes, and that's it. My favorite Nerf blaster. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook for all the new stuff that's going on. Up next, more lasers. I have a nice little gun and a rifle, something bigger. Stay tuned, and I see you next time.